Hey there. Need cash from your Bank of America account? Withdrawing money at a Bank of America ATM is straightforward, and using their machines ensures you avoid out-of-network fees. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to do it. Insert your Bank of America debit card into any Bank of America ATM, enter your PIN. Select Withdrawal from the checking or savings account you want. Choose or enter the amount, and take your cash and receipt. You can also use card-free access at many ATMs by generating a one-time code in your mobile app. My crucial pro tip? Check your withdrawal limits before you go. Daily ATM withdrawal limits can vary based on your account type and history. You can check your limit in the mobile app or online banking to avoid being surprised at the machine. That's how you access your money conveniently and fee-free. Do you usually get cash back at a store register, or do you go to an ATM? What's your preference? Let me know in the comments. For more everyday banking guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.